Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ice cream without using heavy cream. We'll dive into understanding why cream is typically used and how we can achieve that same rich, smooth texture with different ingredients. You'll discover simple substitutions and techniques to create a delightful frozen treat right in your own kitchen, proving that you don't always need traditional dairy to enjoy a fantastic scoop. When replacing cream, several excellent options exist. Full-fat coconut milk is a fantastic dairy-free choice, offering a rich, creamy base. Evaporated milk, a concentrated dairy product, provides a good texture with less fat than heavy cream. Sweetened condensed milk is another great substitute, bringing both sweetness and a thick consistency. For a unique twist, a ripe avocado can add healthy fats and an incredibly smooth mouthfeel to your frozen dessert. For the best results, always chill your ice cream base completely, ideally for at least 4 hours or even overnight. Once chilled, churn the mixture in your ice cream maker for about 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches the consistency of soft-serve ice cream. Then, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours to firm up. A small addition of 1 tablespoon of alcohol, like vodka, can help keep it scoopable by preventing large ice crystals. Now for the fun part, flavoring your homemade ice cream. You can easily incorporate fresh fruit purees like strawberry or mango for natural sweetness and vibrant taste. For a textural contrast, add chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or cookie pieces during the last 5 minutes of churning. Swirl in a ribbon of caramel or fudge sauce just before the final freeze for an extra decadent treat. Enjoy your creation immediately, or store it in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.